Hi all, welcome to Foodie Zest. Today let's see how to make kalathappam or kukkarappam, which is a kind of rice cake. Let's check out the ingredients. We need 1 cup of rice flour. It is slightly roasted rice flour, or you can take PATHIRI podi. The texture of the rice flour should be very smooth or very fine. You would get PATHIRI podi from any Indian supermarkets. Then we need 250 grams of jaggery, 3 shallots, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then we need 1.5 cups of water. Now let's start melting the jaggery first. So put the jaggery on a pan and heat it and add around half cup water and let's melt the jaggery. If you want the kalathappam to be sweeter, you can add around 300 grams of jaggery, but I like it mildly sweet, so I am adding 250 grams. Meanwhile, I have cut the shallots into thin slices. While the jaggery melts, let's prepare the rice batter. Now into a blender, add the rice flour along with 1 cup of plain water and the cumin seeds, and add a pinch of salt to it. Now let's blend it into a smooth paste. Our batter is ready now. Our jaggery has also melted. Now filter it into a glass and pour it into the batter when it's hot. Mix it well until the molten jaggery has combined well with the rice batter. Let's heat a cooker now and add around 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into it. Once the oil is hot, let's add in the sliced shallots and fry them until they turn slightly brown. The shallots are perfectly done. Now it's time to add the rice batter. Make sure the cooker is smoking hot and the flame is on high. After adding the batter, let's wait for around 1 to 2 minutes or until you see slight brown color on the edges. I'm just spreading the shallots evenly. Now you can see slight brown color. So it's time to put the lid. Do not put the weight at this time. Just cover the pressure cooker with the lid and put the flame on medium. And cook on medium flame until you see steam coming through the nozzle. You can see the steam now, and it's time to put the weight and put the flame on the lowest setting. Now cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have switched off the flame and let's allow the pressure to be released. After all the pressure has released, I have opened the cooker and our kalathappam or kukkarappam is ready. Slightly glide a knife through the edges so that it will be easier for taking it out. Allow it to cool down. Now it's all cooled down. Let's remove it into a plate. A soft, yummy kalathappam or the kukkarappam is ready. This is called as kalathappam because earlier it was made in clay pots or kalam, and then later on people started making it in pressure cookers, so now it's known as kukkarappam. I'll just cut it. It's soft and fluffy. The fried shallots gives it a nice different taste. You can see how soft and fluffy it is. Please try this Malabar delicacy and give me your comments. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching Foodie Zest.